Let's learn tools vocabulary in English. Jackhammer, hammer, chipping hammer, rubber mallet, pliers, pliers set, long nose plier, diagonal pliers, wrench and spanner in British English, monkey wrench and adjustable wrench in British English, handsaw, hacksaw, screwdriver, screwdriver set, chisel, tools box, tools bag, tools belt, screws, nuts and bolts, nails, shovel, rake, eggs, brother, file, tool, putty knife, utility knife, tape measure or measuring tape, electric drill, cordless drill, ladder, step ladder, scissor, perforator, safety glasses, safety gloves, safety jacket, hard hat, cone, bucket, paintbrush, paint roller, wheelbarrow or wheelbarrow, vise, level, L square, grinder, workbench, chalking gun or silicone gun, soldering iron, solder, plane,